In today's video, I will be unboxing some long overdue new equipment from my shop. Hey guys, I'm Brandy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button. I am super excited to show you guys what's happening in today's episode. Let's jump right into it. Hello everybody. What is going on? What's up everybody? So, in today's video, let's talk about it. Can you guys see my excitement? Let me get a side view. Can you see my excitement? Look guys, I am so stoked today. I'm ecstatic. So I am unboxing my new equipment for my shop. Guys, I am now a part of the sublimation world. What? And I also purchased a 15 by 15 heat press. Look, I have been working hard, y'all. I work a lot between my full-time job, you know, Avon, and then now I'm a small business owner. I really do work a lot, and I really put in a lot of effort. You know, I've worked very hard for the equipment that I've gotten, and there's still two more that it's gonna be later down the road. That I'm also going to add at a later date, which I'm excited about those two as well. So let's go ahead. I'm going to bring you guys along with me as I convert I got a Epson ET 2720 sublimation printer. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me as I convert it, and I'm going to bring you guys along with me as I read up on my heat press and put my heat press together. So this week's video is going to be a little bit different. It's really going to be unboxing of my product, but I'm excited. So I hope everybody is having an awesome day, because I am. I'm having an awesome week, So let's go ahead and jump right into it and just get to getting this bad boy converted over. This is so nerve-wracking. My cousin and I, Ebony, shout out to That's So Cute Gifts and Creations. She will have a YouTube page coming here soon, right? Right, Ebony? You're getting your YouTube channel soon, huh? My cousin is so dope. She has her own shop, and she's been very inspiring to me to do this as well as my friend Sarah, so I'm just excited to have those type of ladies in my life that's always pushing and encouraging you to do more and do better and to jump on it. So shout out to Sarah. She's got a channel called Plan the Grind. If you want to get organized, she's dope, right? My cousin Ebony, she's got, she doesn't have her channel yet, but she's going to get it. But you can check her out on Instagram. You can check her out on Facebook. That's So Cute Gifts and Creations. She also has a website as well too, where she sells customized items and personalized items as well. Check her out. She got a lot of great stuff in her shop. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this bad boy converted. I'm so excited. It's early in the morning, so I got my heat press. This is my laundry room, so give you a quick tour. My Avon stuff. I use this rack for my Avon stuff. My craft stuff, which needs to be organized. That middle shelf needs to be organized. Don't judge me. That third shelf down from the top. That's all my craft stuff. It needs to be organized, and then so on down. My laundry room is pretty big, so I use it for freaking everything. But I got my heat press, and as you can see, my sublimation printer. Whoop whoop. I am about to convert that. But my heat press came in, and I don't know if you guys follow me on Twitter, or not Twitter, TikTok or Instagram. I posted it. Look at that bad boy. I am so excited. It's a 15 by 15. So I'm super excited to get that all together. Definitely an upgrade from the Easy Press 2. Here's another shelf storage that's going to be for my craft to help me get a little bit organized. And I drink a lot of water. So I just want to give you guys a quick tour because I don't have a craft room because I live in an apartment. I have a 2-bedroom apartment, you know, for me and my daughter, but a quarter of my bedroom is my craft room, and then I use this room mainly for storage, and then I use my crafting space back in the kitchen. So just want to give you a quick tour. So that is it for today's video. I am so excited. I know it was a different video from what I normally post, but the unboxing and the heat press. I am now in the sublimation world. Yo, I am super excited. So tell me what you guys think of my testing fabric. Let me know what you guys are unboxing new this week or coming in the coming days. I was so excited that I was able to share this experience with you guys. I'm so happy. I'm just so excited. I don't know what to do with myself for the rest of the day. Well, until next time, guys, I appreciate you guys for rocking with me each and every single week. Until next time.